Welcome to our assembly, all about Deepavali.
Deepavali or Diwali in Sanskrit, the word Deepavali translates to a row of lights, and this term more commonly used by South Indians to refer to the festival in contrast to the North Indians use the modified Diwali.
Celebrating Deepavali. Deepavali is a very important religious celebration that takes place every year. Although it is traditionally celebrated by Hindus and Sikhs, it can be celebrated by people from other religions as well. The specific date of Deepavali varies, but it is between the months of October and November each year. Here is a short video of some of our very own DCIS families talking about how they celebrate Deepavali.
Hello, today I'm going to tell you a bit about my family celebrating Deepavali. We normally go to Little India to buy different kind of decorations, normally decorations or kind of jewelries.
Hello everyone. Today we are here to tell you a very short story about Deepavali. Deepavali is a festival of lights. It's a festival which we celebrate to show the victory over evil, the truth over bad, the light over the darkness. It's a very short story about Lord Rama. Lord Rama is the 7th avatar of Lord Vishnu. He was in a forest for 14 years on an exile. In a meanwhile, his wife was being kidnapped by a demon called King Ravana. To protect and get back his wife, he fought a battle. And he won the battle by killing Ravana, and when he killed Ravana, after that he returned to his own kingdom as a king. So the day he was returning to his kingdom is celebrated as Deepavali, is a festival of lights. And how we celebrate this festival of light, this Inaya will gonna tell you.
So, we celebrated by getting new clothes, calling friends over, having fun, and putting lights, of course, and you do fireworks.
Yes, and we do the prayer about Goddess Lakshmi. We clean the house and we think that Goddess Lakshmi will give us a good luck and come to our house. And we do prayer on the day of Deepavali. And we illuminate our house with some clay lamps and light, and we give gifts to everybody. We meet our friends and we celebrate this festival and spread the light of peace. Thank you.
The Diwali festival is all about light. Diwali is a light festival. Diwali celebrated good winning over evil. We dress our home with lights, flower and lamps. And we wear Indian clothes to pray God. We eat yummy food and we visit our friends and families. Bye!
Namaste, my name is Ryan. I would like to tell you about Diwali. Diwali is known as the Festival of Lights. This festival is celebrated in the memory of Lord Rama, who returned to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. Happy Diwali! Thank you!
Festival of Deepavali welcomes the new year and honors the goddess Lakshmi. In Hinduism, many different gods and goddesses are worshipped. Each god or goddess is believed to be responsible for something. Lakshmi is the goddess of wealth and prosperity.
The festival of Deepavali means Festival of Light, and it celebrates the victory of light over darkness. During the celebration, many homes light lots of special diya lamps.
This is the story of Rama and Sita.
Once upon a time, there was a great warrior called Prince Rama. He had a beautiful wife named Sita. One day, Rama and Sita were banished from their home by the king. They went to live in the forest with Rama's brother, Lakshmana.
A terrible demon king named Ravana lived nearby. He had 10 hands and 20 arms. He feared throughout the land. One day, Ravana kidnapped Sita and took her away in his flying chariot. Clever Sita left a trail of her jewelry for Rama to follow.
Rama and Lakshmana followed the trail of glittering jewelry until they met Hanuman, the Monkey King, who became their friend and agreed to help find Sita. Messages were sent to all monkeys in the world to help find Sita.
After a very long search, Hanuman found Sita imprisoned on an island. The army of monkeys couldn't reach the island, so they began to build a bridge. Soon all of the animals of the world, large and small, came to help.
When the bridge was built, the monkeys and Rama rushed across it and fought a mighty battle. Rama killed the evil Ravana with a magic arrow and the whole world rejoiced. Rama and Sita were reunited and they began the long journey back to their land. Everybody lit lamps to guide them on their way and to welcome them back.
People lit lamps at the village to remember that light triumphs over dark and good triumphs over evil.
Rangoli patterns are colorful and bright designs made on the floor by the entrance of a house to welcome visitors during the Hindu festival of Diwali. People create these eye-catching patterns to encourage the goddess Lakshmi to enter their homes and to keep away evil spirits.
What is Rangoli? Rangoli is a type of art that started in India.
Celebrating with Rangoli. A Rangoli design is made up of beautiful colored patterns. The designs are often very detailed.
Rangoli designs are usually made during festivals and celebrations.
Lots of Rangoli patterns are created during Deepavali. They can also be seen at other Hindu festivals and special occasions such as weddings. During Deepavali, Rangoli patterns are created to reach with people's hands to welcome Goddess Lakshmi. The all lamps are often added.
Rangoli designs are sought to bring good luck.
How are Rangoli designs made? Each Rangoli design is different. The Rangoli designs are passed down from generation to generation. The designs include different shapes and images. Rangoli patterns are always made on the floor. The outline is often created before being filled in with color.
They are made using different colorful materials. The materials used are things that most people don't get easily. We thus spend lots of money. This means that everyone has the chance to make them.
Sometimes colored rice or sand or powders are used.
Around the gods. Some Mongolian artists use flowers and petals to add the colors. Marigold flowers are a popular choice.
Symmetrical Rangoli. Many Rangolis are symmetrical. They often include geometric shapes as well as lots of curved straight lines. Beautiful birds can often be seen in Mongolian designs such as parrots or peacocks. Artists often choose very colourful birds because it is very important that the Rangoli design has lots of colours. Flower designs. Some Rangoli artworks are sometimes made in the shape of flowers. Rangoli competitions. In some parts of India, towns and villages hold Rangoli competitions. Individuals or teams make the best Rangolis they can.
Other people then came to view and admire the artworks.
Our class designed our own Rangoli patterns and used bright and colorful pencils to decorate. Together we contributed and made our own Rangoli.
We designed the pattern with chalk on black paper.
And everyone added some colored sand to their patterns. Can you spot the symmetrical patterns?
It is easy to make your own Rangoli at home for Deepavali. Go ahead and give it a try.
Here are some ways we can celebrate Deepavali.
Admire the gorgeous displays of colorful lights.
Enjoy a festive meal at top Indian restaurants.
Visit beautiful Hindu temples.
You can go on a walking tour of Little India.
Dress right, anyone?
Or you could follow our lead with a traditional Deepavali dance. Take away 3 years.
Party war, when I say the coup de war. Either the Deepavali, Urengum Vanavadi. You gotta do it like the party walking bunny. We party on for total atom body in a makane. Party war, when I say the coup de war. Urengum Vanavadi. singing an awesome melody. கேட்கும்போது சரபடி பாடுவோம் ஒன்னா சேர்ந்து கூடுவோம் இது நம்ம தீபாவளி ஊரெங்கும் வானவெடி You gotta do it like the party walking பொண்ணே Everybody on foot total ஆட்டம் போடு என்னம கண்ணே பாடுவோம் ஒன்னா சேர்ந்து கூடுவோம் தீபாவளி தீபாவளி உரெங்கும் வானவெடி தீபாவளி
Hopefully you're going to have some wonderful ideas of how to celebrate Diwali.